You definitely don't become a yoga teacher to get rich, but there are some additional ways that you can earn money as a yoga teacher without having to add more classes. For me personally, I am a yoga teacher and I love, love, love it, but I can't teach 20 classes a week anymore, and I can barely teach just a few classes, especially with having a new baby. So I still want to share my message, still want to help people, and I found ways to do that without having to add more classes, but still making an impact. And so I wanted to share those 4 ways today on how to make money as a yoga teacher, and most of these are online, so you can do them from the comfort of your own home. All right, let's just get started right away. So I do have a downloadable resource guide for marketing tips, or I think that's what it is, marketing tips for yoga teachers, where you'll get a lot of these links, clickable links to go to the places that I'm talking about. And the first one I want to talk about is to teach online, and there are several ways you can do that. You can teach online by doing like FaceTime or Skype or Zoom conference calling, where you're teaching one-on-one, watching the participant and they're seeing you, or even just consulting, so helping other yoga teachers or people who just graduated teacher training with getting started. So you can offer consultation calls or any kind of one-on-one coaching. Teaching online, that's a way you could do it. You can have people schedule just by contacting you, or there are scheduling systems like Schedulicity and Acuity. Again, those are linked in the resource guide. The second thing you could do to add money as a yoga teacher is to create an online course, or create an ebook, or some sort of digital download that someone can learn from. So if you have something specific you love, love, love teaching, or you have workshops that you've taught in the past that you want to provide to more people, you can create a package and sell that through digital transfer or through videos. And you can use a platform for courses like Teachable, and some of those it's even free to use. So teachable.com, you can use a website like GetDPD, Digital Product Download, where someone could buy, for instance, I have an ebook and a few things for sale. So in my DPD cart, someone can go to it and purchase my downloadable ebook. Or there's Samcart, or there's a few different other cart options, shopping cart options. So you can make courses and ebooks, which is pretty fun actually. The third way you can make money as a yoga teacher, and you'll see a lot of Instagram people or influencers doing this, is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically talking about the products that you love and having either a direct link or a discount code so that you benefit from the person buying from your code or your link. And you do this all the time, so why not get paid for it? You talk about how you love your Manduka yoga mat, or how much you love this certain class or this jewelry or whatever it is that you absolutely love, or products and things that you're promoting. Why not actually get paid to do that? It doesn't cost anything extra for the person buying, but it helps you out as a yoga teacher. One of the best affiliate places you can sign up for is Amazon. And you start out, I think, just getting 4% of whatever someone actually buys from their cart if they click on a direct link. So if they put like super expensive things in there after you've recommended one little tiny $3 thing, you'll still get credit for that. So you can sign up, and if you scroll to the very bottom of a website like Amazon, or maybe you like Manduka, or certain brands, you can look at the bottom and it will say become an affiliate or become a partner, and you'll have to go through the process of applying to do that. And so that is a great option if you like to promote and talk about the things that you love. So become affiliates though only with the businesses and brands that you love. Don't try to sell something you aren't invested in love already. One thing that I am an affiliate for too is a yoga subscription box. So I get a yoga jewelry subscription box every month, and I love it. So I talk about it and I give people a code to get a discount and also my special link. So it helps you out, it helps me out, it helps everybody out. And so that's kind of the basis of affiliates. They're really great if you like to talk about the things you love. And why wouldn't you? All right, it's kind of like a referral bonus. Same with like at yoga studios, refer a friend type of deal. All right, the last way that you could make money as a yoga teacher is through direct marketing or a multi-level marketing business. So there are, this is getting more and more popular as the internet grows and as influencers grow, but it is creating or signing up for a business or multi-level business that you can create a team from. And the team is really where your business can grow. With that, it's things like doTERRA essential oils, Young Living essential oils, Beachbody, Lip Sense, like Mary Kay type of stuff. Now this is different than affiliates, because affiliate you're just getting a percentage of whatever you would sell or whatever someone buys. But this, you can create a team, so you can have people sign up with you, encourage one another, help one another grow, and also get commission from anybody who purchases the items. And usually it's a higher commission, like 25 to 50% or something like that. So I really highly recommend that. I think that everyone should join an MLM. It's a really easy way to learn more about business, to learn more about team building, coaching, interacting, selling. I know that people don't like to be salesy, and especially as yoga teachers, we don't really like marketing or selling. But if there's something you absolutely really love, let's say even like lipstick or makeup, if that's something that you're about and really like, why not make it into something that you could make profitable for you and learn at the same time? It's usually a very small fee to get started, or it might be getting some of the products or a package deal to get started. And then from there you can start promoting and just talking about it, but do it in a way that tells people that, you know, it's not just look at me, but look what this can do for me, or look what this can do for you. This opportunity is amazing type of thing. So if you don't want to grow your team though, you still want to do direct marketing, a great one as a yoga teacher is doTERRA, which is essential oils. I am a doTERRA rep, but I'm more so a Beachbody coach, so I actually do two. I don't know that you're allowed to do more than one of these at a time. You can't be part of every single one. I know that if you are a Beachbody coach, you cannot do other direct marketing, but pick one and find a coach or a representative or whatever they're called that you connect with and that emulates maybe who you would like to be like. So that's another option. So here are 4 amazing options for adding income as a yoga teacher without having to add more classes to your schedule. I hope this was very helpful. If you please go to my website and download that the marketing tips for yoga teachers, where you can see links to DPD, Acuity, PayPal, all of the kind of little things you need to set up to get your business going online. And of course, if you have questions, I know I maybe have talked over some of you guys out there that if you have questions and need something explained, please just ask and I'd be happy to make more videos explaining a little bit more about a specific topic. All right, have a great day and I'll catch you later. Bye.